Animal helpers. Question 1. This article was written mainly to A. Show that farm animals are very useful. B. Tell about different animals and how they help people. C. Explain what dairy cows are and why people raise them. D. Convince people to take care of our animal friends. Question 2. In paragraph 1, which words help the reader know what domestic means? A. Hunted animals. B. On the earth. C. Food and clothing. D. Tame animals. Number 3. Which of the following was not an early use for dogs? A. Dogs helped in hunting. B. Dogs carried loads. C. Dogs were used for meat. D. Dogs guarded property. Question 4. How long does a dog live? A. 10 years. B. 12 years. C. 16 years. D. 20 years. Question 5. Which sentence from the story tells what the section titled Pigs is mostly about? A. People use pigs for many different things. B. Pigs were used to pull carts. C. People keep pigs as pets. D. They are used for meat. Question 6. Which sentence tells what this story is mostly about? A. Horses, dogs, and camels are used to carry loads. B. Animals provide people with food to eat. C. Animals have always played an important part in the life of mankind. D. A pig is more useful than a horse. Question 7. What conclusion can you draw from the graph? A. Pigs are not as healthy as horses. B. Horses live longer than cows. C. A camel lives twice as long as a dog. D. Camels are more expensive than horses. Question 8. Read the meaning below for the word hide. Hide, verb, noun. 1. Put out of sight. 2. Keep secret. 3. An animal's skin. 4. A person's skin. Which meaning best fits the way hide is used in paragraph 3? A. Meaning 1. B. Meaning 2. C. Meaning 3. D. Meaning 4. Question 9. Look at the diagram about the horses and pigs. Answer the questions that follows. Horses used on ranches. Pigs used on farms. Blank. In the middle, used for pulling carts. They both can be kept as pets. Which of the following goes in the blank? A. Can be trained to swim. B. Were used to guard areas. C. Used mostly for racing. D. Cannot live in colder areas. 10. Which statement is true of most of the animals mentioned in this passage? A, their skin is used to make leather. B, they are used for riding. C, they are used to help people do their work. D, without them, people would not be able to eat. Be sure you have proven each answer and shown all your work.